So I'm going to start by creating a variable, students. I'm going to give it a plural name. Students equals, and then square brackets, and I'll put some names in. I'll go Leon and Harry and Bob. There are going to be some students. And then I can print this out with a for loop. For student in students, colon, print student. Now when I run this, it prints out each name. Now I can make it look prettier by putting it into a sentence. I could say name is a student in my class, close speech marks, dot format, open brackets, student, 1 second, and then when I run it now, it puts it into a sentence. How about that?